How would you love to wake up every morning with views like this? Hi, I'm Tim Lichty with Summit Home Consultants, and today I want to tell you all about my brand new listing in Ahwatukee. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a pool, a spa, outside fireplace. I could talk about this all day long. Let's just go take a look. Views like this won't last forever. If you want more information about this home, feel free to give me a call at 480-371-5100.